Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making milk powder fudge. Here I have half a can of condensed milk. I'll just warm this up. I have some peanuts here. I'll just crush some up in a Ziploc bag. I'll show you how. So here I have like half a cup of the peanut. Check it out. I seal it and then I'll use a spoon and just crush it. This tastes really good in fudge. Salted peanut, really good. Check it out, all crushed up with a spoon. So I'm adding the peanut to the condensed milk. Adding a teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'll mix everything together. Add in my powder milk slowly. This one I'm using. Mixing the milk powder with the condensed milk on slow heat. Coming together here. This only take like 2 minutes. Warm the condensed milk, then add the milk powder, nutmeg, cardamom essence, and the nuts. Looking so good. Check it out. Check it out here. Looking so good. Check it out. So now I'll just add it to my pan. My loaf pan. Just flatten it out. Check out the fudge here, guys, looking so nice. Check it out here. Fudge looking so good. I just flatten it out with my spatula and it smoothed it so nicely. Check it out here, looking so good. Check it out, looking so nice. So I'll let this cool down and then I'll cut it after. Come back and show you. I'll come back and show you when I cut it. Looking so good. Check it out, guys, the fudge is all done, nice and cool. So I'll just flip it over now. Oh, check that out. Looking so good. Check it out. Just cutting it here. Check it out, guys. Looking so nice. Nice fudge with nuts. Looking so good. Maybe I should cut this in 3 because it's too big. 3 at one time. Check it out. Looking so good. Check this out, babe. Did you see my fudge?
Yeah.
I tried piece so good. The nut is so tasty. Check it out. Looking so nice with the nuts. This is the end part. Check it out, guys. Looking so nice. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like how my fudge comes out. Looking so good. Tastes so good too. Nice fudge with nuts inside. Looking so nice.